Well, the campsite is magnificent, and the ride today was great, and I believe we are ready to try out the light and laser combo. Earlier I tried out the laser when it was daylight, and it's shooting a little bit low, so I don't think we're going to be shooting any precision slugs tonight, but we should be ready for some flashlight action. Pitch black, 200 Lumen flashlight, shooting from the hip. Here we go. Well, that wasn't great, but not bad. I'm going to say the flashlight's good. Laser, we got to zero in. We got to do that at the range, so it's good night for now. Well, that was very relaxing. Sloquet Hot Springs, very nice indeed. And it should be a beauty day. Well, let's talk the Shockwave, shall we? And the customizations that I did to it yesterday. I gotta say that I'm loving the big dot front sight. Shot it during the day and at night yesterday, and that big dot on the end of the barrel is actually quite visible, and so much so that at night from the hammock tent I was able to see the dot and locate the shotgun, which would be very handy in case of emergency. So loving that. Haven't had any issues with transport. It's on there nice and solid, so good times. The other thing that I'm really loving about the customization is this grip tape. It's very tacky, and all those shells that I shot off yesterday, I didn't slip once, and I certainly didn't cut my hand on the safety up here like other unfortunate people have in the past. It actually provides a lot of traction, thankfully, and you know, it was quite a cheap fix that doesn't mess with the Raptor styling or function, so very happy with that. Not as happy with the light and laser combo. The light, 200 lumens, is more than bright enough for lighting up the forest last night. It was surprisingly bright, and I don't know why you'd need something brighter than that. 1,000 lumens, maybe to blind perpetrators, but certainly not in a backcountry defense situation. It has a bright middle and then a lighter outer ring, and was quite effective when shooting from the hip last night in the dark. What I wasn't super pumped on was the green laser. I tried shooting the gun during the day yesterday, and it was shooting low. But that makes sense because the laser is slung below the barrel. So to lock that in, I'm gonna have to go to the range and bust off lots of shells and lock that in. I am concerned about the wear and tear on the laser and the alignment of the laser from, you know, being on the bike. You know, I'm in Sloquet Hot Springs right now, and that was an 1.5-hour ride in on very bumpy roads, and I'm not sure how aligned that laser would stay after 1 or 2 trips like that. So only time will tell. But the light itself, awesome. What I didn't like, and I don't know if you can see this, but I had to zap strap the back door that holds the batteries in. You know, when I was busting off some buckshot yesterday and some slugs, like the case would fly right off, batteries on the ground. Not a good situation. So it's not the first fix I've done before with zap straps on the bike, but that's pretty ghetto. It works, but it's a zap strap. So not very happy with that. But all in all, I'm going to say for the first you know, custom test, loving the dot, loving the grip tape, loving the light. So that's about 75%, maybe 80% good times with the customization. So could be worse. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another episode of Twinin'It.